Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by restarting indexing to force a rebuild. This resolves most search failures. First, close and reopen Outlook to clear transient locks. Once done, open Windows indexing options and confirm Microsoft Outlook is selected. This is why results appear. If you use Exchange or a map, pause syncing so index changes aren't interrupted. That prevents partial entries. This immediate setup gets you into the repair steps that follow and makes sure the index actually contains your mailbox data. Now rebuild the Windows Search Index to recreate Outlook Search Database. Click Advanced and choose Rebuild. This may take time. Monitor progress in Outlook's status bar where it shows indexing percentage. While rebuilding, run the Inbox Repair tool, Scampst, on any local PSD or OSD files to fix corruption that breaks results. If Scampst finds errors, repair and then restart the rebuild. Make sure antivirus real-time scanning isn't locking files, because file locks stop proper indexing and lead to. Finally, repair the Outlook profile or create a new one if corruption persists. Control Panel's Program's Repair option can fix configuration-level faults. Once profile adjustments are done, restart the Windows Search Service and reboot to clear stuck threads. This often unblocks stalled indexing. If search still fails, verify server-side settings like Exchange indexing or retention policies, because server rules can hide items from client search. If issues continue, use the troubleshooting tip. Re-enable one change at a time so you can identify the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.